video, what I have here is a rechargeable fan that goes on a bucket. If you guys have ever seen, like, say like the NFL or something like that, and where they have like the water mist coming off the fans to rapidly cool down you, this thing is exactly what that is, and obviously a mini package. And check it out, and it will fit any normal size bucket. So if you got a normal kind of 5-gallon bucket that I have here, they have it on the side of the box here. I think it has a DC charger down in here. Here's all the stuff. Actually, I'll get it all out of the box. Let me go over it. So it has a little small remote. It goes 90 degrees in all different directions. Strong wind blades, DC charger, cool spray. And this is the X69. 4 speed settings, 4 mist settings, and 3.5 2-amp voltage. So that's the input voltage, 5 watts. And I think that, oh, here's the actual size of the bucket, which is 26 to 33 centimeters on the buckets right there. And this is adjustable. So the reason it has adjustment, check that out. See this hose right here? Notice there is a little bit of water in this hose. Well, I've already used this thing, but check out the width on the buckets. So that's cool that it goes different buckets. What you want to do, get the hose like that. Now this hose has a ball bearing down inside of it right there. I don't know how well you can hear that. See this right here? These are the misters. Good old mister fan is what we'll call it. So here's the you don't need this to run it. This is battery powered. You need this to charge it though. It has a remote to it, and the remote has that little battery protector on it. Let's see if it just works. Wow. Oh, wow, it does. Wow, that worked out fast. So the remote worked good. They give you an extra mist nozzles. I just noticed that. I didn't even know it had those extra nozzles on there. Let's go ahead and set this thing up. So luckily, I have 5-gallon buckets that collect water. So check out how nicely this kind of locks onto a bucket. You really just adjust it like that. So watch this. Fan. As soon as you turn the fan on, it gives you your battery percentage. You can see we have 50% battery still left in here. We're on 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? That feels great just like that. That is really cool. There is a timer on it, so you can see the different timing. Does it have the actual timing on it? I think that's for, oh, this thing right here, what's this? Rotating. Now let's turn the water on. We'll use the remote. I think the water, right there, we are on water, low, medium, and high. Right there. I hear it. Oh, wow, you guys see that? Oh, well, I just got the camera wet, everybody. That thing really puts out the air and the water. I am so impressed with this fan. There's like a pulsating feature on there. There's the actual turning. I can already tell you, I can feel a 10-degree drop in temperature right away. There's not just air coming out of here, but there's water coming out of here, out of your bucket here. It's a small mist, and if you lowered it down, it's not gonna go like through your bucket. That could probably last us easily all day long. You're out working on a job site or something, set this up on the back of your truck or just right here, and then when you guys start overheating, just come over here and stand by it, because already, I can tell you, looking at it, watch it on my arm right here, look at it on my watch. You guys see that? This is already cooling me down. I run hot anyway. I'm overheating just talking, and this camera right here makes me hot. So yeah, I will definitely be using this amongst my travels and on, you know, the hot summer work days here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the X69 spray fan, 2-in-1 spray fan with remote. See y'all in the next video.